different one. Is that what you usually do? You usually take a shot down there as he goes down.
Yeah, well, I do take it at different angles as well.
Yeah.
It says 37 on the boards.
37.
It just seems like the alarm's dropped over there again. It's gone a bit deeper again.
Has it?
Like since I was down here yesterday morning when I was catching the train to school.
Yeah. I bet you enjoy doing that on your own now, don't you?
Yeah.
Travelling on your own. Nice.
Do you notice that these skirts is like the thing under the barrier is like it's like slightly wonky?
These the lights.
No, not the lights. The
Slightly wrong.
that there, the slightly bent. And notice it's a bit filthy on the barrier.
Is it?
Yeah.
If you got a white jacket on, it would just rather spoil it, wouldn't it?
Hmm.
Which way is it coming then, do you know?
It's coming from that way.
Aha.
From Birmingham, northbound.
I see. Oh. Taking its time, isn't it?
Yeah, it does take does take about 2 or 3 minutes.
Some drivers get very annoyed about things like this, don't they?
Yeah,
but there isn't any point, is there?
Yeah, if they kept this crossing manned, the crossing would still, because this crossing used to go down a lot later, like before they closed the signal box.
Yeah.
3 years ago.
Yeah.
Well, nearly.
Is that all it is? Oh my goodness! It seems.
And then this is now operated from a signalling centre, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, here he comes. He's going to stop, is it?
Yeah. It doesn't say please stand clear, fast road approach on the boards. I think they should add the signal at the end of the
Oh, it's not.
of the platform.
It's not stopping, is it?
It is.
Oh, it is. Right.
It would only not stop if it's like coming very fast,
Yeah.
like 75 miles per hour or something.
Yeah.
So that's 172333. I see Kidderminster.
So,
it would be pretty cool if it was like a pedestrian light here, like facing up to the platform on one of the sides.
Kidderminster.
4 minutes, 13 seconds.
To wait. 4 minutes, so we've been waiting. What was that meant to be then? 4 minutes, 13 seconds.
Oh, I think we're staying. Or is it? I think the crossing. Oh, we've got a passing one.
Huh?
We've got something passing here. So we're not playing. So the crossing is not playing up.
No. How do you know there's another one coming?
You see the board's changed on platform 2.
Yes, yes. And you can see that quite clearly, can't you? Whereas I can't. Did this used to be an old station or something?
I don't think so.
Cute little houses, aren't they? So what does W mean?
It means whistle. There's a foot crossing around the corner.
Okay.
If there's one down that way, if I can actually see that set of light from the foot crossing.
So when the trains reach that spot, do they have to go?
They have to sound the horn.
Oh, here it comes.
That one's passing.